Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Oculus application on your Android phone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Open your Play Store and then go to the search box and type in Oculus. You can also type in MetaQuest since Oculus is now MetaQuest. Now tap on the install button to begin downloading the application, which will take a few minutes. But make sure that you are connected to a stable internet so that you can get the application installation process to go faster. Once it is done, you can open the application on your device anytime you want. So that is how you should be able to download the MetaQuest or the Oculus application on your Android phone within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.